Good morning everyone. My name is K. Pavan and I am grade 5 student at KB School. Today I am presenting a topic on addition. Addition is the process of adding two or more numbers together is called addition. Ones, tens, hundreds, ten thousands, lakhs. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 6 plus 0 is 2. 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 0 is 9. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 0 is 6. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. The sum is 9,56,989. Thank you.